On today's unboxing, we are going to be talking about the new Riaction Coilovers. Riaction's a company that just came out in the scene, but they are nothing to be slept on. With 36-way dampening adjustability, preload settings, and height settings, these coilovers are built to last for street use. Now, these coilovers were bred for street cars in mind, but can also be used on the track, and it's a great entry-level coilover, also very cost-effective, very affordable, and a beautiful build and design. Now, in your box, you'll receive your wrenches for adjustment. You will also receive your adjustments for your dampening settings, and you receive your warranty card along with a nice sticker as well. To find out some more information on Riaction coilovers, check us out at www.speedzone-web.com.